This is an example blog post page that I created using only HTML and CSS. I decided not to use any frameworks or copy paste code and any boilerplates of any type. So this is all done from scratch. The purpose was to learn how to use flexbox and also get a better grasp of creating a real life project in HTML and CSS. So I started with the header, which was a slight challenge, but using some of the resources that I found, I was able to create one that is quite responsive. As you can see, it resizes down. And I also created a header, but I didn't want to create a regular header. I wanted to create one with an image at the back. So when you're looking at it, you can see that there's a different color. There is a different color background. This one's green, light to lime yellow, and it fades into green. This is all using a gradient in HTML and CSS, and there's an image in the background. So this isn't an actual image, it's actually CSS. Scrolling down, I also did some extra functionality to make this a hoverable, so when you pull away it's dark and light. I used filtering for this one rather than writing a whole bunch of code. I also did sidebar, which has a search box and additional links, and all of this I done from scratch. As I'm scrolling, you can see that I've also have the before and after links and related links, and below I created a comment box. The comment box isn't active as I didn't attach it to any real database or any type of storage. It's just here for plain cosmetic showcase. So scrolling down at the bottom is the footer, and you can see that I did it individually. So let's go into the code so I can show you what it looks like. In the code I made sure to make it neat. I could have done better and indent it more, but I decided just to leave it just to show as an example. And as you can see the links are here, and I've also made comments of the different sections to make it easy to follow. This one's quite old. I use an embed instead of a straight video link. That's fine, because I just wanted to just post something in using one old code to see how it would work. Now I'm scrolling down more. You will see each section of the code, so it's from top downwards. You can see where the sidebar begins, and going further you'll see that there's a footer neatly written. So let's go to CSS. So the style sheet, you can see at the top I started with a whole page, and then after I move on to actually doing the individual elements in the page, like the navigation. I've also left some reminders so that when I was coding I can get better an idea. And scrolling down further, you'll see that I've done the buttons and hover for the nav, and even this is neatly done to show you each of the sections within the page. So it is the main section, and scroll further, you see there's a blog links and related links, and even a comment section. Right at the bottom, I'm going to scroll right to the bottom. This is where I decided to place the mobile and tablets responsive feature, and you'll see additional code. Let me go back to the index page, and let me show you that at the top you can see I put the style sheet and also the favicon. So I'm going to go back to show you the page. So going back, you can see that there's the favicon and the name of the page, so it's all neatly done. If you look in the description below, I have the full project that I created in my GitHub. You can take it and look at it and see what you can do with it or what you can learn from it. It also has the images, so if you want to, you can easily just download it and open the file up yourself to take a look of what's done and how you can use it.